My name's Dalton Jones. I own Salty D's Dive Services. We specialize in underwater hull cleaning and marine maintenance in general. Most owners want to pay someone that's willing to do it and do it the right way. Whether that takes an hour or 2 hours to get their boat done, quality is what matters. We want you to have the utmost confidence in us to go underneath your boat and make sure it looks as good as it did when you put it in the water. You want to get the guy you can trust, and it just felt like the perfect industry for me to get into. I love cleaning boats. It's my passion. I've just become obsessed with it, really. The more it showers me with love, I kind of give it back. I just keep reinvesting and dedicating more of my time to learning more about the craft and continuing to offer and try to offer the best possible service. You could contact my cell phone, 772-453-1730, or you could find me on boaterslist.com.